what?
What?
It's slime time! Today we're going to be doing an honest review on slimes I got off of Amazon.
Slime.
First up is the cotton candy colored slime. Kind of little ball things. Now they're super stretchy, which I like about them. And the colors are really vibrant and stuff. And I got this as prime, so like I'm not sure if you had not prime, I guess, if it would be the same, because mine came in fast. But yeah, they're kind of stretchy, so you can see.
You cut out half my head from the slime. Like that.
And sometimes if you rip it too fast, it breaks apart, but yeah, and like it's super fun to poke and stuff. It's also not too soft, so like you can model stuff with it, I guess. I was playing with it the other night and I was making like a volcano shape with it. But yeah. Hard to put back in the container though, that's for sure.
Yep. Next is the blue watercolor slime. So this slime is pretty sticky. Oh my god. Oh. Here we go. I'm cutting off your head. Oh my god. Oh wow. Oh, so stretchy. Oh my god. It feels like water too. It feels a little watery too. In my hand, bye.
Okay, time to do the struggle of putting this one in the container. I don't know why they have to be in like ball shapes.
Yeah, me neither.
It's gross. Thank you. Okay, next up is the orangey, peachy, colory slime.
I love Slimy the fish.
This one's stretchy too. Only this one, it actually was really orange when I first got it. Like you can see how much lighter it is. It was really, really orange, like not quite the color of his shirt, but almost that color.
Hey, come on.
And now it's gotten lighter over time, which I don't know why, but it does. This one's not as fun to poke, but it is super stretchy, so like you can do like that swirl thing. But like when you poke it, it's not really as extended or any like pops or anything like that, only when you squeeze it after you pop it. While usually when you pop slime or poke it, it makes like a crackle noise, which is really soothing and satisfying. I don't know why for me, but it is. Put it back in. Your turn.
Now it's yellow banana nini slime.
Super stretchy.
What?
That's a really bright yellow though.
Yeah, I can see it. Here's the bright yellow for you guys.
You did a little swirly type thing.
I did?
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
Okay. Banana smoothie type thing. I actually put it in a cup the other night just to see what it would look like. I was like, should I put whipped cream on it and ruin it, or should I put lotion on it?
No, I got it.
Fail.
That was a fail, bad fail.
Okay, next up is purple slime, plain old purple. It's more of like a pinkish purple. There are holes in it. It's a sponge. This one isn't as stretchy, but it does have better poking. So that's what I like about this one. It's not as sticky either.
Nope.
But it does break easily. I guess it's okay for like when you do the swirl thing, but it doesn't.
Yeah,
look
now
as
it looks
nice.
like a cinnamon roll.
Okay. Now to put it back in. Your turn, Tate.
Next is green tree colored slime. Whoa.
That one is not. Oh well, it is stretchy. Ah! It was in a jump rope. No! It's surrounding me. Everyone attack. Okay. Got it right in the face. Let's put this one away. That's it.